today I'm going to be playing Kerbal Space Program because I think I should always have at least two series going. So right now I have my Minecraft series going, and I have I'm starting this one. So I'm going to start a new place, jet streamer. Uh, I don't know, rockets. Yeah, career. I'm thinking this one because who doesn't like the original thing? Alright, start. So, if you don't have this game already, it's a game where you basically build robots, and in career mode, you just collect science. To do that, you this is just how you make a basic rocket. You get the command pod, which is where the crew goes in. And so, for just a basic rocket, I'm thinking we're just gonna do this. Put that on there, and I don't think we have any other parts except for that. Well, we need a parachute. If we don't have a parachute, we are going to die. And antenna, because if you don't have an antenna, you can't use science. You can't communicate science. And that's it. So we'll call this U2 goes to space Mark 1. And we're ready to launch. And well, I hope it's obvious now that just with the tiny engine I have, I'm not gonna get to space. I'm just gonna put the SAS on, and I forgot to fix this. I should probably not have the parachute deploy at the same time the engine goes off. So now we have Jebediah, and we don't want Jebediah to die, so we're just gonna go. I'm sorry, I think the sound was off for a while, and that should have fixed it. Just going up. Let's try and aim this way a little bit, because if we land somewhere, we can always get science from collecting ground samples. And let's just warp. We're still going up. Up here, you get this little arrow, which now we are actually starting to go down. When it reaches here, the parachute will deploy, but I don't have the parachute open yet. I might as well do that, but I better not speed it up. And there we go. There's our parachute. Turn the SAS off. We are definitely going to land in the ocean, but I guess that's fine too. We don't have any brakes. I don't think we have any other than the parachute itself. I can just evacuate Jebediah right now and he just go flying away. But yeah, we don't really want to kill Jebediah, even though he can't die since he has the orange suit on. So we don't have any solid fuel, which is what this rocket uses. And so we're gonna land in the ocean. We can do a crew report right now. Gives us 3.5 science. And we might as well just keep the science. Keep it. There we go. We can speed down to Earth. I have found a bug in this game though. See this force arrow? Well, alright, I guess it doesn't affect the parachute. But when you have a bunch of these solid rockets, whenever you have the solid rockets on and you're boosting with the warp time, the force is times by that amount of number that you warp the time. So we're gonna see we position it right now so Jebediah can get back in once we EVA him. he should be able to get in like that, or at least I hope. Let's Eva him. Whee! And we're swimming. Whee! Alright, just want to take an Eva report. No, I don't think it was very necessary to get here with a spacesuit. Maybe you can go deep sea diving with it. Let's see, take surface sample. You've taken a sample of water here. There are bits of vegetation in it. Suggests a strong likelihood that land is nearby. You wouldn't guess. So, all that's left now is to get back in the rocket. F to get in, F to board. Most people like to just leave it here and then go somewhere else to retrieve the rocket. But I found you can go up here, click recover vessel. That's the same way, just shorter. And we got 23 science from that. That is definitely enough to do some research. This only requires 5, so definitely. And that gave us the decoupler, mystery goo, the fuel tank, and a liquid fuel, also another fuel tank. So we can get, well, we can get this one or this one down here. Survivability, I guess we could go for it. The radial decouplers are what we really want. We can't go for this yet, but I found this to be practically useless. This is amazing, and this is awesome also. So I think we're gonna go for this one because we want the radial decouplers. So we're just gonna get that, and later we can get the connectors, the launch stability enhancer, the radial decoupler 2.0, I guess, because well, it's just extended. This is a tri-coupler, but does not detach anything. This, you get the SAS inline reaction wheel, which is very useful. First probe, your cockpit for your plane, and a winglet, which, okay, cost 45 science, so we got 0. Just gonna immediately go and start another rocket. Alright, we're just gonna, Mark II, I guess. And we're gonna trash this, basically. First, let's put this down here. We don't want this just yet, so we're gonna take it up. And so this can stay off to the side. We want some fuel tanks. Oop. And what did we get? We got the radial decoupler, which is awesome. So what we need to do, we also got the stack decoupler, which what I like to do is this right here. So in this case, we don't know if we go ahead and just put this right here. The parachute might not be able to hold all this weight. So we don't want to risk Jebediah dying, or we lose Jebediah missing in action. So then we just put another stack decoupler on it. It covers up the engine. We might want some of these. Symmetry mode, 4 of them. Let's go ahead with 3. No, not 5, 3. And I want angle snap. And there we go. So we will have some way of controlling ourselves. We can put this here. That is not enough to get us up in the air. So we're gonna want these now. And put these here. And then get these. I'm gonna put them right there. Oop, they're not on. And then we can go ahead and put this on them. There we go. So they're aerodynamic. We can go ahead and put these on. There. And there we go. We're about ready. We just need to see. Alright, yeah, that's right. Where there's this thing, which we want this to be down here. what's this? Oh, this is the radial decoupler and this. So we can put those in same. That. And then there's this one and then that. So we're ready to go. Mark 2. Save and launch. Alright. So we put the SAS on. And I'm holding shift here to make the toggle go up. Even though it doesn't affect these engines here that I'm hovering over. You can see light up over on the left side. Because these you cannot stop. They are solid fuel engines. It's like trying to put out a fire by taking away the amount of gas you're putting in, which is 0. So, but the liquid fuel engine hidden in here is the one where you get to control because it's fueled by gasoline in these fuel tanks. So we're just gonna, well, let's see. Crew report. We can get some science here. Transmit data. Hopefully we have enough. There we go. 1.5 science on the launch pad. Alright, and we might as well go. That might be a little loud. There, I turned the sound down. Just a little bit. And this isn't gonna get us too far. We are tilting a little bit. There you can look. Well, there we go. Oh, there we go. And we want to go... Oh wait, that's the wrong direction. Okay. We want to go over here. And we want to try and get some land samples. We're also gaining electric fuel by burning this engine, so we might as well do this. 100%. There we go. 3.5 science. We've already got enough to do it again, so why not? Oh, that's why not. It doesn't give us any science. So we might be in space by now. No, I think, oh, this is the atmosphere. So we're in the outer atmosphere, although I can't really remember what it's called. But once the arrow gets to the very end, which we're right close to, actually, I'm surprised we made it this far, we will be in space. Oh, we're in orbit already. I didn't even notice that. I wasted a little bit of fuel. Crew report. 5 signs. Might as well. Yeah, science is going away. Okay, so we want to go down here to the orbit map. And we want this to go from being just like that. We want it to go all the way around. So let's put it all the way around. And that is not going to be enough fuel. We're not going to have enough fuel for that. But we will see. We'll see what we can do. First I gotta find a blue marker. Where's... There it is. There it is. There it is. Come back. Come back. We gotta wait 8 minutes, but don't worry. We're not gonna actually wait 8 minutes. We are going to warp time. We're getting close. Alright. And we're gonna do full throttle once that, once it says this. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full throttle. We're gonna run out of fuel soon, but look. Oh, we're gonna make an orbit on our second try. Wow, I think that's quite surprising. Did we make an orbit? Yes. I'm not sure though if we have enough fuel to get out of orbit. That's always a problem. I should have thought about this. Well, Jebediah, let's just take you on a little spacewalk. You should enjoy this. Got your smiling face on. Really dumb. Right, let go. Oh, no, I didn't want you to board. Get out. Hop off. R. There we go. Whee! We're in space. Eva report. 8 signs. Keep data. F. So that's about it. That's about all there is. Oh yeah, shift is up. Like, why can't I go up? No. F. No, I missed it. Go up. Come back. Ow. Jebediah, you're gonna give yourself a headache hitting your head so many times. Jebediah, get in the rocket. No. There. Yes. No. Jebediah, you're so dumb. Jebediah. Up. Up, Jebediah. Don't let go of the rocket. I definitely did not control you to let go of the rocket. Oh. Ooh. Go back, Jebediah. There we go. Thank you. Get on board. And we're gonna do this crew report. Sure, why not? And so let's see. Transmit data. There we go. 5 signs from that. We don't have enough electric charge, so we're just gonna burn some fuel. How about actually we burn in the right direction? Would you like to do that? Uh-oh. Alright, we have to make this one stop transmitting so we can have some resource electric charge for the SAS. Let's go. Oh, we're out of fuel. Transmit data. Starting transmission. Done. Okay. Stop transmitting. Well, Jebediah, you are trapped in space. Well. Wee. Oh. Rolling around in space forever. It's your wildest dreams. Well, poor Jebediah. But look at this. Oh, throttle down. We have an orbit. Here we are. There's the moon, or the mun in the background. We have a perfect orbit. Or at least it seems to be. Tell me if anyone else can see the Earth like move at certain times and then it stops moving and then moves and then stops moving. I don't know, but well, we're just gonna have to go back to the Space Center and well, tracking station. And we can see YouTube goes to space Mark II. So we can fly it and we can terminate it. Jebediah can't die, so I'm thinking we might as well terminate it, because he'll just respawn. And we don't want him to be stuck in space all the time and we can't use him again. So, bye-bye, Jebediah. Um, let's see. I think 2 missions is long enough for one video. So, here's our rocket that got us into space and got us stuck there. I'll continue another episode of this another day. Goodbye.